Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Today's tech tip is don't get scammed. But before we get started, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for further notifications. I'm going to show you something that you need to know and you don't want to overlook it. Alright guys, so what I'm talking about is knowing what you're buying. So I have a 2007 KTM 85 here, or is it? So this bike got dropped off to me as a 2007, and what I want you guys to know is I'm going to show you something here. If you look at the VIN number and you go to the 10th digit of the VIN number, and in this case the 10th digit, if you can see it, let me see if I can get some good light on there, is a 4. Okay, it's that number 4 right there, and a number 4 in this case means it's a 2004. And it's super important to know what year your bike is so you're not ordering parts for the wrong year. I'm going to put something on the screen right now. I want you to pause it, screenshot it, and save it to your phone. Keep that list right there, okay? So when you're going to look at bikes, you either have a bargaining tool, because if they're telling you something newer and you can show them that it's not, you don't want to overpay for these bikes. So only make sure that you're paying for what you're buying. Don't get scammed. Keep those numbers in your phone. All right, guys, so that's it for this tech tip. You need to know what you're buying. I don't always blame it on the seller. Sometimes I really don't know what they have, because when they bought it, they were told it was an 07, and they don't know to look up the VIN number and look at that 10th digit. Hopefully you like this video, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.